Good evening. This is All India Radio, and I'm Tanvi Taneja with the news at 9. The headlines. Amid political crisis in Madhya Pradesh, 22 Congress MLAs resigned from the party, pushing Kamal Nath government to the brink. Senior Congress leader Jyotiraditya Scindia resigns from the primary membership of the party. Congress says he has been expelled. BJP Central Election Committee discusses names for 55 Rajya Sabha seats. Election to be held on the 26th of this month. First batch of 58 Indian pilgrims stranded in coronavirus-hit Iran arrives in India. 6 more positive cases reported in the country. In boxing, Vikas Krishan enters the final of Asian Olympic Qualifiers in 69 kg category at Amman, Jordan. Senior Congress leader Jyotiraditya Scindia today resigned from the primary membership of the party amid the political crisis in Madhya Pradesh. In his resignation letter to Congress President Sonia Gandhi, Mr. Scindia said that he had been in the party for the past 18 years. But he said he is unable to serve the people of his state and the country by staying in the party any longer. On the other hand, the Congress said that Mr. Scindia has been expelled from the party for his anti-party activities. Earlier in the day, Mr. Scindia met Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah in New Delhi. Now, the Kamal Nath-led Congress government in Madhya Pradesh appears to have slipped into minority as 22 Congress MLAs, including 6 ministers, sent in their resignations shortly after Mr. Scindia walked out of the party. 19 MLAs sent their resignation letters to Raj Bhavan, while Bisahulal Singh, Edel Singh Kansana and Manoj Chaudhary submitted their resignation letters to the Assembly Speaker. The actual strength of the Madhya Pradesh Assembly is 230. With 2 seats vacant, the effective strength is 228. However, with the resignation of the 22 MLAs, the strength of the Assembly will be 206 and the magic number required to prove majority will be 104. The Congress had 114 MLAs of its own, but the resignations bring down its tally in the Assembly to 92. The party is also supported by 2 legislators of the BSP, 1 of the SP and 4 independents. The BJP has 107 MLAs in the Assembly. More from our correspondent.
Throughout the day, political happenings and meetings continued from Delhi to Bhopal. After Mr. Scindia announced his exit from the Congress, there was a spate of resignations from the supporting legislators and party officials. A delegation of BJP leaders today met Madhya Pradesh Assembly Speaker NP Prajapati here in Bhopal and handed resignations of 19 Congress MLAs who are in Bengaluru. Prajapati told reporters that he will take decision as per the rules. To deal with the current crisis, the Congress Legislature Party meeting was held today at the Chief Minister's residence. More than 90 MLAs attended the meeting. Congress spokesperson Shobha Oja said that there is no threat to the government. Senior leaders of BJP held a meeting with their MLAs. Senior leader Shivraj Singh Chauhan said that this meeting is only to formulate a strategy on the Rajya Sabha election. Sanjeev Sharma, AIR News, Bhopal.
Meanwhile, Samajwadi Party MLA Rajesh Shukla and BSP MLA Sanjeev Kushwaha met senior BJP leader and former Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan at his residence in Bhopal. After the meeting, Mr. Chauhan said this was just a holy meeting and there's no politics in it. The BJP Central Election Committee met in New Delhi to discuss the names of candidates for the biannual Rajya Sabha election. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, BJP President JP Nadda and Union Ministers, including Amit Shah, are among those who attended the meeting. The election for 55 seats of Rajya Sabha from 17 states will be held on 26th of this month. Counting will be held on the same day, an hour after the conclusion of polls. Maximum 7 seats are falling vacant in Maharashtra, followed by 6 seats in Tamil Nadu. 5 seats each are falling vacant in Bihar and West Bengal, and 4 seats each in Odisha, Gujarat and Andhra Pradesh. 3 seats each are falling vacant from Assam, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh, and 2 seats each from Telangana, Haryana, Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand will go to polls. 1 seat each from Himachal Pradesh, Manipur and Meghalaya will also go for polls. The government has taken various legislative measures for protecting the rights of citizens. The government has introduced the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Amendment Bill 2020 in the Lok Sabha on the 3rd of this month. It provides for an outer limit of 24 weeks for medical termination of pregnancy. The Surrogacy Regulation Bill 2019 was introduced in the Lok Sabha in July last year. The Select Committee examined the bill and its report was tabled in the Rajya Sabha on the 5th of last month. The bill aims to control the unethical practices in surrogacy, prevent commercialization of surrogacy, and prohibit potential exploitation of surrogate mothers and children born through surrogacy. It allows for altruistic surrogacy but not commercial surrogacy. The Union government is implementing the flagship program Poshan Abhiyan for improving the nutritional status of people. During the Poshan Pakhwada, many activities are lined up in Assam. Our Guwahati correspondent has more.
Falling in line with the prescribed government norms about avoiding all mass gathering in the wake of coronavirus prevention, the government of Assam has lined up Poshan activities. We spoke to Mr. Hemen Das, Secretary Social Welfare, about Poshan Bharat. Let us hear more.
So apart from the prescribed activities, those have been prescribed by Government of India. And we have some Assam state-specific events like setting up a Poshan call center through cloud telephones. Anyone who wants to know about the Poshan Pakhwada or about Poshan Abhiyan or objectives of Poshan, they will be answered. And setting up of Akshay Patram, there will be a basket of every Anganwadi center where community may donate vegetables, fruits. And that will encourage the community people also to donate. And they may think that this is, yes, Kendra, it is our Anganwadi center.
For All India Radio, this is Nazmin Zarkar from Guwahati.
This is All India Radio giving you the news. For quick news updates, visit our News on AIR app and follow us on Twitter at AIR News Alerts. You can also visit our website www.newsonair.com. The first batch of 58 Indian pilgrims stranded in coronavirus-hit Iran landed at the Indian Air Force Station at Hindon in Ghaziabad this morning. The passengers are being screened by medical experts. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar thanked the Indian Embassy in Iran for their efforts and the Indian medical team there for operating under challenging conditions. He also appreciated the Indian Air Force and the Iranian authorities for their cooperation. The minister said the government is also working on the return of other Indians stranded in Iran. 6 fresh confirmed cases of novel coronavirus have been reported in the country, taking the total number of confirmed cases to 50. These new cases have been reported from Bengaluru and Pune. Briefing media in New Delhi today, Special Secretary, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Sanjeev Kumar said, the government is keeping a close watch and taking effective steps to contain the spread of COVID-19 novel coronavirus. Mr. Kumar said Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan spoke to the patients in Medanta and Safdarjung hospitals through video call and inquired about their health. He said all the patients are recovering well. Mr. Kumar said the minister also spoke to the health ministers of different states and union territories, including Kerala, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu and Punjab.
आज स्वास्थ्य और परिवार कल्याण मंत्री डॉक्टर हर्षवर्धन ने दिल्ली, हरियाणा, केरल, राजस्थान, तेलंगाना, तमिलनाडु, पंजाब, कर्नाटक और महाराष्ट्र के स्वास्थ्य मंत्रियों से तथा यूनियन टेरिटरी ऑफ लद्दाख, यूनियन टेरिटरी ऑफ जम्मू कश्मीर के उपराज्यपालों से चर्चा की। उन्होंने कोरोना रोगियों के स्वास्थ्य की स्थिति का जायजा लिया और केंद्र सरकार द्वारा सहायता का आश्वासन दिया।
Mr. Sanjeev Kumar said the Cabinet Secretary today reviewed the situation and issued a fresh advisory. Mr. Kumar also informed that e-visa and existing visas for France, Germany and Spain are suspended with immediate effect. In view of possible threat of transmission of novel coronavirus, the Manipur government has sealed the Indo-Myanmar international border along the Manipur sector. Chinese President Xi Jinping has declared that the spread of the deadly coronavirus epidemic has been basically curbed at its epicenter in Hubei province and its capital, Wuhan. According to state media, Xinhua, President Xi Jinping today paid his first visit to Wuhan since the crisis erupted in January. After the visit, he said, initial success has been made in stabilizing the situation and turning the tide in Hubei and Wuhan. Iran today said that the novel coronavirus has killed 54 more people, raising the death toll to 291. Health Ministry spokesman Kianosh Jahanpour made the announcement in a televised news conference. Around 8,042 coronavirus cases have been reported in the Islamic Republic so far. Iran is the hardest hit country in West Asia by the new coronavirus. Worldwide, there are over 110,000 confirmed cases of the new virus, with more than 3,800 deaths attributed to it. European Union Parliament Speaker David Sassoli today said that he has gone into self-isolation in his Brussels residence for 2 weeks after visiting his virus-struck native Italy. The virus has been detected among a handful of EU staff, including at the European Council and the European Defence Agency. NATO headquarters, located on the outskirts of Brussels, has also reported its first confirmed case. In Lebanon, the Health Ministry has confirmed that a 56-year-old man died today from the novel coronavirus. Back home, the Festival of Colours, Holi, was celebrated with traditional fervour and enthusiasm across the country. The festival signifies the victory of good over evil and the arrival of spring. People smeared natural colours, splashed colour balloons on each other and exchanged sweets on the occasion. In Delhi, many housing societies had arranged special events and get-together parties to enjoy the festival. Delhi police has made elaborate traffic arrangements to ensure the safety of motorists and to check the incidents of drunken driving on Holi. In Kashmir Valley, one CRPF Jawan was injured when terrorists lobbed a grenade on police station Kakapoda in Pulwama district this evening. A police official said that suspected terrorists hurled a grenade on the police station at Kakapoda, resulting into the injuries to one CRPF Jawan. He was immediately shifted to hospital for specialized treatment. Police has launched searches in the area to nab the terrorists. Still with Jammu and Kashmir, 5 members of a family were killed on spot when a big boulder hit their residential house in Gordi area of Udhampur district of Jammu division in the wee hours today. The deceased include 4 children of the family. One person was rescued from the debris of the house and has been admitted to the district hospital Udhampur. District Development Commissioner Udhampur has announced an ex gratia of 20 lakh rupees to the deceased family and free treatment to the lone survivor of the tragedy. In boxing, Vikas Krishan advanced to the final of the Asian Olympic Qualifiers in the 69 kg category at Amman, Jordan today. He claimed a split decision victory over second seed and 2-time world bronze medalist Ablaykhan Zusupov of Kazakhstan. Krishan will face Jordanian Isaiah Hussein in the final. Earlier in the day, world number 1 Amit Pangal 52 kg and Lavlina Borgosai 69 kg signed off with bronze medals. Borgosai lost to third seed and 2018 world silver medalist Hong Wu of China in a unanimous 5-0 verdict. Top seed Pangal went down to Jiangwan Hu of China in a split 3-2 decision. Indian football heavyweights Mohun Bagan clinched their second I-League title with a 1-0 win over Aizawl FC at Kalyani, West Bengal today. Their first I-League title came in 2014-15 season. Senegalese striker Baba Diawara scored the all-important goal for Mohun Bagan in the 80th minute today. Bagan lifted the title even when 4 rounds are still to go in the season. And now, before we end the bulletin, here are the headlines once again. Amid political crisis in Madhya Pradesh, 22 Congress MLAs resigned from the party, pushing Kamal Nath government to the brink. Senior Congress leader Jyotiraditya Scindia resigns from the primary membership of the party. Congress says he has been expelled. BJP Central Election Committee discusses names for 55 Rajya Sabha seats, election to be held on 26th of this month. First batch of 58 Indian pilgrims stranded in coronavirus-hit Iran arrives in India. 6 more positive cases reported from the country. And in boxing, Vikas Krishan enters the final of Asian Olympic Qualifiers in 69 kg category at Amman, Jordan. And that is all in the News at 9. Good night.